Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a short tutorial on how to remove elements from an array. So first of all, we're going to create a subroutine called remove elements. Okay, now we're going to create an array called my numbers, and we're going to populate it with a few numbers here like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. Okay, and now we're going to do numbers here dot splice. So the splice method is used to remove elements from the array at a particular index. So we're going to do it like this, and 2 here. So we're going to remove 2 elements from this array. And we're going to print it out. Okay, and then of course we're going to call the array. Okay, we're just going to save that, and we're going to run it. Raku, and the name of the program new.raku. Okay, made a little bit of a typo there. Mumbers, it should be numbers. Let's save that again. Let's clear it up and run it again. Okay, so there we go. We've removed 2 numbers from this array. So we've got 10, 20, 30. So 40 and 50 have been removed. Okay, I hope that was useful to you, and I will catch you in another video. And remember, if you've not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. Bye-bye.